These roses look amazing. Were they just picked today?
Yeah, they arrived early this morning, super fresh.
Can I take a quick smell?
Sure, go ahead.
Achoo! Oh, wow, sorry about that.
Bless you.
Achoo! Oh no, again.
Are you feeling okay?
My eyes are really itchy and kind of watery.
Red, too.
Yes, both eyes are irritated.
Sounds like seasonal allergies. It's that time of year again.
Really? It feels worse than usual this time.
Yeah, the pollen count has been pretty high lately. A lot of people are sneezing today.
So I'm not the only one suffering.
Definitely not. You might want to see a doctor.
I think I should. My nose is getting blocked too.
That's rough. Maybe skip the flowers for now.
Good idea. I'll come back another time.
Take care. Hope you feel better soon.
Hi, is this the clinic? I'd like to book a visit.
Sure. Is it for you?
No, it's for my husband, Daniel.
Is he registered with us?
Yes, he usually sees Dr. Adams.
What seems to be the issue?
His allergies are really acting up today.
Sneezing a lot?
Non-stop since morning.
What about his eyes?
Very itchy and quite red.
Any breathing trouble or blocked nose?
Yes, he's having difficulty breathing properly.
Since when has this been happening?
It started the day before yesterday.
Has it gotten worse today?
Yes, much more intense now.
Has he taken any medicine yet?
Not yet.
We can schedule him at 4:30 today.
That works perfectly.
Please bring his ID and insurance details.
Sure, we'll bring everything.
Try to arrive about 15 minutes early.
For the forms, right?
Exactly.
Got it. See you soon.
See ya.
Achoo! Sorry.
Bless you. You have allergies too?
Yeah, really bad ones.
The same here. Happens to me every year.
When did yours start?
Around a few days ago.
Mine just began yesterday.
It usually gets worse after that.
Oh, great. That sounds scary.
What symptoms do you have?
Sneezing, itchy eyes, and a blocked nose.
Exactly like mine. The worst part is not being able to sleep.
Tell me about it. It's so annoying.
You should try using an air purifier at home.
Does that actually make a difference?
Yeah, it helps quite a bit.
I'll definitely try that.
Also, try eating some natural honey.
Honey? Really?
Yep, it can help your body adjust to pollen.
Interesting. I'll give it a shot. For allergies?
Yeah, just mix it in your tea.
Does it actually help?
My brother swears by it. Where can I get it? Try the local farmer's market.
Thanks for the advice.
No problem. Good luck.
You too. Hi, Dr. Adams.
Hello, Emma. What seems to be the issue?
My seasonal allergies are really bad. Sneezing a lot? Yes, constantly.
Are your eyes itchy?
Very itchy. Let me take a look. They're quite red. Yes, and my nose is completely blocked.
Trouble breathing?
Yes, especially today. Open your mouth. Let me check your throat. Okay. It's a bit irritated. It hurts slightly too. That's post-nasal drip. What does that mean? Mucus flowing down your throat. Pretty uncomfortable, but common. What should I do? Take antihistamines every morning. Just one tablet? Yes, after breakfast. Anything else? Use a nasal spray daily. For how long? Around 5 weeks. Will I recover soon? Once pollen season ends. Thank you, doctor. And try to avoid flowers for now. I will. Hi, I'm here to collect a prescription. Name, please? Emma Khan. Date of birth? April 10th. Let me check. Yes, prescribed by Dr. Adams. That's right. You have 2 items. What are they? An antihistamine and a nasal spray. How do I take the tablet? 1 pill every morning. With food? Yes, after breakfast. And the spray? 2 sprays in each nostril. Both sides? Yes, once daily. Morning or night? Morning is better. Any side effects? Might feel a bit sleepy. So I should be careful driving? Yes, at least in the beginning. How much is it? About $12 with insurance. Here's the card. Thank you. Get well soon. Thanks a lot. Do you sell local honey? Yes, all from nearby farms. Really? Local? Just about 3 miles away. Does it help with allergies? Yes, quite a lot. How does it work? It contains local pollen. So your body gets used to it? Exactly, over time. How much should I take? 1 large spoon daily. Just once a day? You can take it in tea or plain. Every morning? Yes, that's best. So I just need to take it regularly?
Yes, consistency is the key.
How long before I notice results?
Around 2 weeks or so.
That's actually pretty quick.
Here, try this local honey.
Wow, it's really sweet and smooth.
One of the best around here.
How much for 1 jar?
About $10 each.
I'll take 2 jars then.
2? Good choice.
1 for me and 1 as a gift.
Nice idea.
And I'll take a beeswax candle too.
Those are $4 each.
Perfect, thanks.
Take care and feel better soon.
Do you have an air purifier?
Yes, for which room?
For the bedroom.
What size?
Around 180 square feet.
This one would be ideal.
Why this one?
It comes with a HEPA filter.
What does HEPA do?
It traps very tiny particles.
Like pollen?
Yes, and even pet hair.
Does it remove dust too?
Yes, almost everything in the air.
My partner has strong allergies.
This will help a lot, even overnight.
Where should I place it?
Close to the bed is best.
Is it noisy?
Very quiet on low mode.
Will sleep improve?
Definitely.
When should I replace the filter?
Every 5 months.
Are replacements costly?
Around $12.
That's affordable.
Totally worth it.
What's the price?
$65 today.
I'll take it. Want some tea?
Sounds great.
Do you have ginger tea?
Yes, with fresh local honey.
Add a spoon for me.
Here you go.
It tastes amazing.
Better than medicine?
Honestly, yes.
Ginger helps a lot.
My throat already feels better.
It reduces inflammation.
It's so calming.
You should drink it daily.
Did you buy the purifier?
Yes, it has a HEPA filter.
For the bedroom?
Right next to your bed.
That's so thoughtful.
We'll handle these allergies together.
Always together.
Feeling better now?
Much better.
No sneezing?
Not today at all.
Then medicine is working then.
And the nasal spray too.
What about your eyes?
No itching anymore.
Did the purifier help?
I slept so peacefully.
Best $65 spent, right?
Absolutely worth it.
Did you try the honey?
Yes, in my tea.
That local honey is amazing.
And that helpful tip from the waiting room guy.
He seemed really kind.
Good people are everywhere.
Maybe we'll see him again at the market.
Spring is almost over anyway.
Till then, honey and medicine it is.
Such a lovely morning today.
And you look beautiful.
Even with allergies?
Especially with them.